Wow. And that's the ball game. Nice. Delicious. Woo. Perfect. Gorgeous temple garden. So pretty. Loving it. Peaceful and nice. Oh, wow. At the temple. So pretty. So gorgeous and peaceful. There's a palace. It's incredible. Oh man. Top of the fountain. Top of the morning to you. Gorgeous. We're at the zoo and I just met our best friend, Peacock. Hello, Peacock. Hello, my name is Peacock. Hi, Peacock. Hi, Peacock. Hello. Hi, Peacock. There's monkeys everywhere.
Yeah, this one had something happened to him. His blood on his leg.
Look, it's you.
Show it to him.
And Mouse stops.
He's like, don't do it. Yeah.
He just grabbed the chip and dipped.
He was like, that's some good shit.
He got the chip and dip.
Chip and dip. That's the way of the monkey.
You are so
You
cute.
you got some big old boobies, my friend.
Look at them titties.
Look at them titties.
He's like, more. I need more.
Look at them.
One just took one out of my hand. Oh, look at this little baby. Right here, just hanging. He's legitimately hanging out. This monkey is running on 2 feet. He literally. Also, Taylor got
I got chip snatched.
a bag of chips out of this
Literally,
thing.
I grabbed it and I was like, no, the zookeeper's right there. And he was like, fuck you, bitch, give me your chips.
He took it straight out of her bag and grabbed her arm and grabbed the bag and everything and just ripped it out.
I was like, wow, cute, he's giving me a hug. No, he literally used my arm as leverage to rip that shit out of my bag. Do you have
Hello. Amritsar, and it is gorgeous. The architecture is beautiful. Oh, and there's Taylor. Wow. That's so pretty. What are your first impressions of it, Taylor?
This is unlike any other city we have seen before yet.
Yeah?
It's beautiful.
Very nice. Met this little bugger. Look at my hand compared to him. He's so cute. He's so cute. Aren't you beautiful? He's adorable. Oh my god. We are on our way to the Golden Temple, and this is the outside of it. It is gorgeous, especially at night. Look at those lights.
I knew it would have been cool to come here at night. Called it.
She called it. A kite! Oh. Wow. This is the Golden Temple. Right there. This is beautiful. The Golden Temple. Beautiful. The Golden Temple is so beautiful. Is at the hostel. It is beautiful. We're gonna do a one-day hike, like 10 miles. And I'm so excited for it. This place is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Wow. Amazing. Look at this. It's unfreaking real. Wow.
This is my type of city where it's busy, but then it's also this.
Beautiful. Yes, sir. We climbing up to a cafe. Look at this.
Oh.
This is beautiful. In the city. Wow. We're on our way to hiking Trione. And this is our view at the checkpoint. So beautiful. Going to a waterfall. Beautiful. Nature here is gorgeous. And the video just does not do it justice. It's incredible. Loving it. We made it to the waterfall. Wow. Look at how clear that water is. Are you kidding me? That is so tempting to swim in. I know it's so cold, but it's so tempting. Two waterfalls. One on this side, one on this side. And here I am with my fellow doggos. Hello! Hello! Look at this. Wow. We're gonna go down to that one, that drop off. It's amazing. Now we're at the bottom of that waterfall. Here is that one. Woo! You doggy! What up? We here, chilling on a rock. And look at my view right now. Look where I'm sitting. This is where I'm sitting. It's a perfect little corner for your backrest. Wow. Right on the edge, baby. I love it. I love it. This view of the sunset. Gorgeous. Loving it. Indian wedding in the middle of the forest.
Beautiful.
Taylor is currently giving me a haircut. I don't know if you can see it back there. She's pretty short. So that's happening right now.
Yes.
And here we go.
Alright, I want to make sure
Wow.
I don't cut.
Today, just got the haircut from Taylor. It looks really nice, actually. I'm really loving it. She did an amazing job. And this is my 1 year anniversary of traveling. Been here for a year. Well, not here, but traveling for a year. It's kind of wacky. Crazy stuff. Exciting days. We're in a big old cloud. Just came over to our hostel. It looks like a zombie apocalypse is coming, kind of.
It smells different too, right?
It does, yeah.
Interesting.
Wow, that's super cool. What's up, guys? We are up in the Himalayas. Wow. That's color. That is color. Beautiful. Here we have some dosa, which is
Gunpowder dosa.
Yep, gunpowder dosa. It is
And mimosa.
and mimosas. They are
Idli.
southern Indian food. This is idli. This is our friend. Hello. Say hi to YouTube and my kids when I'm older.
Hi, Logan's kids.
Hi, future kids.
Perfect. We're digging in. We're in the Lodi Art District, and they have giant murals on the walls. That's so dope. He's taking a picture of you, smile. Cheese. Pretty cool stuff. I think that one's so dope. Whole wall. Sick. We are in the Lodi Gardens
With two friends that we met.
with two friends. Two beautiful marble looking cuties and one with a pretty rough haircut. But that's okay.
You are right.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at that crap. That shiz. It's amazing.
It's beautiful.
It is.
And it's been this way for like a long time. They've not gone through any renovation.
No renovation. Been this way for a long time. Local Indian telling us what's up. We found a fat dog. That's my hand. He's a fatty. He's a fatty. Oh, baby, come here. Come here, buddy.
Who do you like?
Come here, baby. He's like,
You like this one?
when I
Giving this one any credit.
when I
This is
sit
being
down,
cute.
I don't get back up. Sorry.
You know how
Hello,
much strength it
baby.
takes